Dear students, today we are going to start subtracting money. Last day we have done adding money. So here in subtracting money, we know how to subtract two numbers. We will apply that process only. Just when we are writing the answer, we will write down the unit rupees. Exercise 4.3, sum number 1, part A. Rupees 10 from 50. From 50 means we will write down 50 first. After that, rupees 10. Then when we are subtracting, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 1, 4. So, rupees 40. Question number C. Subtract rupees 75 from rupees 80. So, we will write down rupees 80 first, then rupees 75. Now, when we are subtracting, first place digit is, unit place digit is 0. So, we will start from tens place. What is the previous digit of 8? That is equal to 7. After that, in place of 0, write down 10. Now, 10 minus 5 equal to 5 and 7 minus 7 equal to 0. So, I am not writing 0 here in the left hand side. That means our answer will be rupees 5. Question number E. Rupees 405 from rupees 450. First write down rupees 450, then rupees 405. Now in unit place the digit is 0, so we will start from tens place. This digit is 5. What is the previous digit of 5? 4. Now in place of 0 write down 10. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. 4 minus 0 equal to 4. So rupees 45. Question number F. Rupees 367 from rupees 500. First write down rupees 500, then rupees 367. Here unit place digit and 10 place digits are 0. So start from 100 place digit, which is 5. What is the previous digit of 5? 4. Write down 4 here. Then in place of 0 write down 9. And here in place of 0 write down 10 because it is a unit place digit. Now 10 minus 7 equal to 3. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Rupees 133. Next part 2. Real life application. Find a change in each case. Question number A. Ashok bought a chocolate for rupees 120 and gave her rupees 100 and a rupees 50 note. Now here the question is not given. You have to find what you want to know. So first Ashok gave a rupees 100 and rupees 50 note. So total money he gave means we have to add these two numbers. Rupees 100 plus rupees 50, that is equal to 150. So he gave rupees 150 and he bought a chocolate for rupees 120. Now which is greater? 150 is greater. Among 150 and 120, 150 is greater. That means he gave extra money. So in return he will get some money. How much money he will get? Then we will subtract. Subtract 120 from 150. Rupees 30. So your answer will be he will get rupees 30. So what we are doing here, he gave a rupees 100 and rupees 50 note. So how much money did he give? We will add these two numbers and we will get that rupees 150 he has given. Now he bought a chocolate whose price is rupees 120. Now 150 is more than 120. That means he gave extra money. So in return he will get some money from the shopkeeper. How much money he will get? We will subtract 120 from 150. So rupees 30 he will get from the shopkeeper. Now question number B. Anita bought balloons for rupees 55 and gave a 100 rupees note. Here also he gave 100 rupees note and the price of the balloon is 55. Anita gave rupees 100 note and price of balloon is rupees 55. Now in return she will get some money because she gave extra money, rupees 100 is greater. How much money she will get? We will subtract these two money. 100 minus 55, that is equal to 45. So she got rupees 45. Now here how we are doing the subtraction, unit place digit and tens place digit also 0. So start from 100 place digit. Now previous digit of 1 is 0, so I am not writing 0 here. Here in place of 0 write down 9, and in unit place it is 0, so unit place we know that we will write 10. So after that 10 minus 5 equal to 5, 9 minus 5 equal to 4. So rupees 45 she got. Question number C is similar, so I am not doing. Similarly do sum number D. Hori bought fruits for rupees 388 and gave her rupees 500 note. So Hori gave rupees 500 note. Price of fruits rupees 388. So after giving 500 notes, he will get some money. In return he will get some money because he has given extra money. So if we subtract these two numbers, we will get the amount of money he got in return. Now unit place digit and tens place digit are 0. Start from 100 plus. What is the previous digit of 5? 4. Then in place of 0 write down 9 and here 10. Now 10 minus 8 equal to 2. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So he got rupees 112, and after that write down the answer. Thank you children.